So you can just. I know, talk about it.
It's all good. Alright. So what's good, Internet? Welcome to the Dough Show. My name is Donut. This is my show. After much sadness, we're gonna play this shitty ass gun world again. And hopefully pull off another fucking win. Some magical win. I don't know what the fuck. Somehow this shit lost all our fucking shit. We're back to ground zero with this shitty ass game. The train?
Yeah.
Alright. Come on, let the train. It's a gangbang. This song's about a gangbang. It is too.
Gangbang.
Yeah, it's on that choo-choo train.
Come on.
It's on a gangbang.
What the hey? Yo.
What? There you are. And there you go. There blows my hero.
That's about Kurt Cobain.
Is it?
That's one.
Watch him as he explodes.
There you go.
Fucking, I don't know, man. I'll leave my personal thoughts about people who have a fuckload of money and decide to kill themselves. I don't fucking what the fuck I want to say.
Yeah.
It's just fucking so annoying to me, though. I have no idea. Like, motherfuckers would kill to have that kind of status. They have to kill themselves. And it makes no sense, dude. Like, even if you have 100 failed, albums and shit, you can still make it. So I don't understand that shit. It baffles the shit out of me. Need your help, need your help, need your help. I just gotta sit there.
It's Charlotte Hornet.
Huh?
It's Hornet.
So what?
I don't know, the Charlotte Hornets. That mascot.
What the hell's a Charlie Hornet?
No, it's a team and the basketball team.
Oh. Wait, that fucking alien?
No, that looks like.
Oh.
Looks like a hornet.
Yeah, so I guess all we gotta do is beat the damn level. Look at all this generous ass chili these fuckers are giving us. What a piece of shit. Beat the level, you have a gun. We promise.
Come on.
Piece of shit. No fucker. No! God. Oh my god, one more hit and we're fucking screwed. I fucking hate this game. I fucking hate Gun World. I bet we'll get like now a drop of chili. Hey, we'll give you a plenty of chili. Just don't fuck it up. Alright, the chili. Fucking asshole.
This thing ever had a music on it?
Dude, who cares?
I don't.
You want some music? I'll turn this shit
Oh,
off.
you turned it off?
I did turn it off. It just fucking sucks. It's probably broken in this damn game. Nuts. That's what this game shitty is.
I feel something looming, like something bad is about to happen.
Don't even. We just did that shit with your asshole ass. Push that button and ruin a perfectly good gaming streak. Nothing more worse can happen than that. Shit, the Xbox will catch fire to the gun room. It should be that. It ruined my life. This is why my ex left me. Gun World. I now sleep with other bitches, but Gun World. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Get the fuck out of here, you fucking Martian manhunting, adamant looking bastard. That's the most generic ass Martian of all time. Shit. That was fucking great. Here, that guy. Yeah. Shit. Dude, you gotta quit pushing that guy out. Fuck it! We're doing too good. Let's go. Motherfucker, I need you to be pumped. I need you to be excited and pumped. We're going to win right now. We get the win. You hear me? Go piss that guy off. Win. You hear me? Positivity. Can you feel that energy? Can you feel that? Oh
Yeah.
my god.
I felt it.
I felt it when the train went. You gonna go? Go. Okay, stay there. I told you play Dwayne when you want to play Dwayne. Till we beat this game? Hell no.
You can't change your character.
Nope. That jump is bullshit. You gotta be like right on. Alright, fuck it, let's go. That is right there. See, it's gonna move right when I move. That's bullshit right there. I just called that shit out.
I think you need to drop.
Nope.
You seen Action Jackson?
No.
That's the way it looks like. Played by Apollo Creed played it.
Action Jackson. I need you to come back.
What, right now?
Yeah, right now.
That's just chill out.
Cause I need you to kill this asshole. With the gun! Okay. Shit.
No chili?
No, good. We got full health. Guys, keep alive. Back up and help. You got, when you see that guy, you back the fuck up. And then you shoot. Shooting right under him, your gun is like up his ass. It's not working for him. And that's... Okay, you gotta go, go.
Wait for it. Oh, wait up. What up, man?
Go, bitch.
Wait for it.
Nigga, you scared the shit out of me. I don't want to do this shit. I'm gonna get through this level. Go. Oh my god. Stop coming back. Go. I'm not doing shit. Okay, here. I'll go. Okay, well, fuck. We don't know what happened to your ass. Hey, quit going back. You're freaking me. I have to concentrate. It's like hard as shit. Okay, come back. We have this guy fucking play Apollo Creed. Hey, Apollo Creed played this guy, Dwayne. Alright, so I think right here. Okay. Okay. Doing. Oh crap. Like I got the fuck out of there. See, yeah, come back. Yeah, there you go. And you kill these guys. Fuck. Shit. No. Yeah, one hit.
That was the thermometer.
Yep. Kill everything. I ate that damn chili. Okay, get up there and kill. Yes! Yes, Pinky! I feel like saying something like on top of that mountain. Excellent. Or Shao Kahn. Excellent.
What's a flawless victory?
He said all that shit. Well done. I fucking try to psych us out. Jump and shoot, you lazy piece of shit. Alright, we made it. No! Do not!
Wait.
Do not! You do not!
Let me die.
Okay, die. But
Oh,
do not push that fucking...
Alright, let's go, man.
1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, go. Go. I think you're there. Don't push anything. But you fucking come back. You come back when he's done talking. Hold on. Okay, come back now. Oh, shit. Those guys. You're not helping.
Get down.
Get up there and shoot. Fuck. Kill those guys! Oh shit, you gotta be fucking with me.
behind you!
What the fuck is that?
Bleeding guy.
Keep killing him! Keep killing him! You're almost there! Get the fuck up there and kill him! Go, go, go! Just keep shooting him! Keep shooting him! Don't stop! Alright, almost, dude. Take him out! Take him out! Take him out! Take him out! Yes! Yes! Yeah!
That something's
Do
hanging
it!
up there.
I don't care! Do the thing! Do the thing! Yeah! You better not froze. Yeah! Oh, thank God! Oh. What? You better not give him the achievement! Oh man, we got the gun seeds. Oh, dude, we got the gun seeds. I could cry right now, dude. I am so like, oh. And the levels beat. Okay, save X to save. Push X too. Push X. I'm pushing it, so I it better be fucking saved. I'm mashing. You hear that click? You hear that clicking, audience? That's save. That shit better have fucking saved. To the next level, what? The forest. Just beat that fucking forest. Yo, be the bad guy of the forest.
What bad guy?
This guy, the guy with the flying butt pliers.
Alright. Yeah, I remember that guy.
Yeah. What the fuck? What the fuck? Fucking game. Oh, I was to say, don't you fuck with me, man. This game. Oh. Kill this guy, and then one more guy. And all you gotta do is kick ass, dude. We have gun seeds. We should have more gun seeds than that, but okay. I don't know why we only have one good gun seed. But okay. Wait, don't push that. We got this gun seed, which is a boomerang gun. Okay, now I'm gonna use it. So, you got your gun?
I don't like this gun.
Change your gun.
How do you do it?
Here. Push Y. Get that gun. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Go. Go. Oh, you piece of shit. Damn you! Don't do it! It might fuck up the game! Okay.
Call from
Oh,
Debuff
what
Cell
the
April
fuck?
20th.
No, you don't need me right now, please. My fucking mother, and I'm dead. Damn it! Fuck! Well, at least we got the damn gun seats back. Hold on. Wait, don't you...
Change my gun.
Okay. Go. 2, 3. Go. Go. You think you're invincible. I think that's how we killed him last time. You just keep shooting. I gotta dodge him. Keep shooting. Now what? You just keep shooting. Yeah, damn chili.
Wow.
fuck. Here, I'll call this one then. Let's see how this movie ones. Alright. So fucking blah blah. Alright.
What's going on?